Overdose deaths are costing the county $1 trillion a year. Today, the White House published a new report on what has to be done to fight the opioid epidemic. The numbers are staggering, and News 12 Long Island's Karen Pinto breaks it down. Karen.
Ian, the 70-page report says there have been 100,000 deaths from drug overdoses in the past year. Now, about 2/3 of those recent deaths involve synthetic drugs like fentanyl.
Thomas was a charismatic, athletic, smart, kind of quick-witted. He was awesome.
March 14th will be the 10-year anniversary of Linda Ventura losing her son. Thomas died of a heroin overdose at 21 years old.
Enough with the chatter. It's action time.
Ventura says now is the time to do things differently.
There's way too many barriers to treatment, barriers to detox.
We've been losing our ability to successfully treat substance use disorders for the better part of the last 50 years.
Stephen Chasman is the executive director of Long Island Council on Alcoholism and Drug Dependence, or LICAD. Chasman says this is an opportunity to restructure how we treat substance abuse disorders as a chronic illness.
Human toll is the most devastating, but when you're looking at $1 trillion in economic devastation, all the signs for change are there.
The 70-page report recommends government action in a multifaceted approach. One of Chasman's biggest takeaways is access to treatment.
Ongoing recovery services for people so they can live in sustained recovery, not just for recovering their physical and mental health, but their financial health.
Also, given how fentanyl is a driver of the opioid crisis, he says law enforcement plays a big part in this.
No one chooses this lifestyle. It's not a moral failing. It is a brain disease, and if they could stop, they would stop.
Now, Ventura started Thomas's Hope in honor of her late son, which promotes drug addiction awareness and prevention. And LICAD is available 24 hours a day. And if you or someone you know suffers from substance abuse, Chasman says you should reach out. In the newsroom, Karen Pinto, News 12 Long Island. Ian?